Are you trying to open your hard drive or pen drive and Windows keeps saying the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable? Don't worry. This error looks scary, but in most cases, your data is still there and the fix is simple. Follow these steps carefully and one of them will fix your drive today. Step 1. Repair the drive using CHKDSK, built-in Windows fix. First, we will scan and repair the drive using a Windows repair command. Click on the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command: CHKDSK/F/RE. Replace E with the drive letter that is showing the error on your PC. Press Enter and wait patiently. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your drive. When it finishes, close the window and try opening your drive again. Step 2. Check and repair file system using EasyUS free tool. If the error still appears, use a free disk repair tool. Open your web browser and download EasyUS Partition Master free. Install and open the software. On the left side, click Toolkit. Select Check File System. Choose the problem drive and click Start. After the scan completes, click Finish and reconnect your USB or hard drive. Now test your drive again. Step 3. Assign a new drive letter. Sometimes Windows cannot read the drive properly because of a corrupted drive letter. Press Windows +X. Click Disk Management. Right-click your problem drive. Select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Change. Choose a new letter like F or G. Click OK and reconnect the drive. Try opening it again. Step 4. Reconnect drive using Device Manager. This fixes driver-related corruption problems. Press Windows +X. Open Device Manager. Expand disk drives. Right-click your USB or hard drive. Click Uninstall Device. Unplug the drive. Restart your PC. Plug the drive back in. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Always use Safely Remove Hardware before unplugging your USB or external hard drive. Force removal is one of the main reasons this error happens. If this video helped you fix your corrupted drive, hit the like button so more people can find this fix. Subscribe for more real PC and Windows error solutions that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fix.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up